Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I am going to show you how you can create a YouTube channel with very easy and basic steps. So first of all, like the video and subscribe the channel. So after that you have to go to your YouTube app. Here you can see you have to go on the me option. After that your Gmail connected with your YouTube account will appear here. So the name of my Gmail is motivational quote. So you have any name of your Gmail account, it doesn't matter. So you have, first of all, you have to select a Gmail account by which you can create a by using which you can easily create your YouTube channel. Under that you can see there's an option of create a channel under motivational quotes. After that, here you have to select a picture of your YouTube channel and name of your YouTube channel, and handler is an also and name of your channel, that after which you can easily find using handler. You can easily find your YouTube channel or anyone's as YouTube channel. So every person channels had different handler. You can't copy any handler, but you can also copy. Some people have same YouTube channel's name but different handler. So by using handler account you can easily search your channel. So here now I'm setting the name of my channel. My channel is related to motivational course, so I am setting the name related to that. You have to name your channel related to the content that you have selecting for your YouTube videos or channels and to upload on the channel. So here, after selecting my YouTube channel name, now that is time for handler. You can select any handler, but you should have a unique handler, like it doesn't match with any other person. So I'm setting a unique handler. Like anything else you can set. After that you have to save the handler name. Here this is very easy step by which using you can easily create your channel. Now you can see that the channel is created. So hope so you enjoy this video, watching the video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, subscribe the channel, and stay tuned with me for the next video. Now you can see on the screen your YouTube channel is created with a very basic few steps. Thank you so much for watching the video.